In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games. By the end, you'll know how to set up a new library folder on another drive, move your existing games safely, and double-check that everything works as expected. First, open Steam and head to Settings, then Storage. This is where Steam manages your library folders. At the top, use the drop-down to select your new drive. Click Add Drive, or if your version shows it, choose Let me choose another location. Pick the target folder on the drive where you want your games to live. It's a good idea to select or create a clear folder, like Steam Library, so it's easy to find later. If you plan to install future games to this location, set it as the default here. Before proceeding, make sure the new drive has enough free space for the games you're planning to move, and remember that internal SSDs generally offer faster load times than external or slower drives. Now that the new library folder exists, stay in the storage section. Select your current drive from the list to see the games installed there. Check the boxes next to the games you want to move, then click Move. When prompted, choose the new library folder you added and confirm. Steam will copy the files and update the paths automatically, so you don't have to re-download the whole game. The time this takes depends on the size of each title and the speed of your drives. You can queue multiple games, but avoid putting your PC to sleep or closing Steam while it runs. Your save data typically stays intact, especially for games with cloud saves. If a game stores saves locally, Steam moves the game files, but your personal save location can vary by title. Don't worry, the verify step will help catch any issues. Once the move finishes, go back to your library. For each game you moved, right-click it, choose Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This step scans the installation and replaces any missing or mismatched files. If Steam reports errors, run the verification again or return to Settings and Storage to repair the library folder on the new drive. This rescans the folder and ensures Steam recognizes everything properly. That's it. Thanks for watching.